How to get $100 Nike coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Nike coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you coupon codes for the Nike. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers, 40% off, 10% off, and many more. If you're interested in any of the offer and you want to use it, all you have to do is click on this option of view coupon. So here's your coupon code. Now you can copy it, head towards the website of Nike, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of visit Nike. You will be directed to the official website of Nike. Now log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section of coupon code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you will get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, you can check out these website, as this website will also provide you tons of coupon codes for Nike. So this way you can get up to $100 Nike coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.